Hi everybody, Sean the Gardener here. I'm going to do a potato review because I want some potatoes for tea. According to this label we have Charlotte and Kestrel in here. Now it's a big old tub, so it's going to be hopefully some potatoes for tea. Right, I'll bring it back in a minute. What I'm going to do is set you up on a tripod if I can. If not, I'll have to do it off my hand. Okay, hopefully that's sort of set you guys up there to see. So what we're going to do is tip the bucket out and see what we got. Charlotte and Kestrel. Charlotte will be a white potato, Kestrel will be the purple and white. Right, we'll need 2 potatoes. There's a few white ones. 3. Hang on. Getting there. That's a bit more like it. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's a big old tub, this. Okay. Yeah. Going to be eating good tonight. And all this soil I'll dig it in where it is on the garden. There's a few more. Let's get that one out the way. Beauties. And we got splits. That was the dry spell. Then we had that's really dry spell. That's what happens. That's what happens when you get a dry spell, and then it rains again, or else I water them. See the splits, but they'll taste all right. Hopefully I've not wasted my time recording this. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll have to have a look behind the camera in a minute. I think that's all there is. Like I say, I'm only going to grow two lots of potatoes next year. Condor's one I'd like to grow as well, but I couldn't find it at all last year, so I'll have to send away for some, I think. There's a few there. That's not a bad load, is it? Not as many as I expected, but I still got another tub over there. But yeah, we've got some for tea there tonight for certain. I'll go up and clean them up now, and yeah. Thanks for watching, folks. That's the Charlotte and Kestrel, but I think they're all Charlotte. yeah, sure it's a good show potato. I'll be putting them in earlier next year. I left it too late. I'll just take a chance with putting stuff in early. So bye for now, folks.